Replaced a lot of the bad spots in the floor. We've caulked them all. There's a reason why I use the inexpensive caulking. It seals all the cracks up quite well, and we also used it to keep from losing the floor leveler down in through those cracks. But it makes a better job, and it doesn't cost much money or labor. So what now we'll be doing the floor leveler. You see here we're smoothing out the edges that are higher one than the other, and so that's the end of that video.